In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enter and exit the Fastboot mode on Nothing Phone 3. So first of all, we need to turn off our phone. We're going to press the power button and volume up button at the same time so that the power menu shows up. And we're going to press power off to shut down our phone. Wait for the phone to completely turn off. And after that, we're going to press and hold the power button and volume down button until you see the bootloader. So just keep holding, and there we go. Now, over here, as you can probably notice, we have a text Fastboot mode, which in theory could mean that this is the Fastboot mode. However, we can also find another Fastboot mode if we go to the recovery mode. So over here, we can navigate by using volume buttons and then confirm your choice by pressing the power button. And we're gonna wait a couple of seconds. Shortly after that, you should see that Android logo with the no command text. So you need to press and hold the power button, and then while holding the power button, press volume up. And right now we are in the Android recovery, and over here you can find enter Fastboot mode or enter Fastboot text. So we're gonna select this option. By the way, we navigate here once again with volume buttons and confirm your choice by pressing the power button. And as you can see over here, we once again are in the Android Fastboot, but it looks quite differently, and it doesn't have much options actually. And the only thing that we can do is restart our phone, go back to the recovery mode, and we can also reboot to bootloader or power off our phone. So essentially, if you want to exit this one, you can just choose reboot system now and confirm your choice by pressing the power button, of course. Your phone will restart and you will be back into the normal mode. And if you are actually in the bootloader, so this one over here, then you can just choose start option. And after that, the phone will reboot and go back into the normal mode. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.